Welcome back to a very busy and noisy seapoint here in the mother city. Sounds like someone's house getting broken down. Hope not. But next up, Leigh-Anne is finding out about the importance of household insurance for homeowners out there, especially making sure that you've got the right kind of cover to have your home insured and your household contents.
Have you ever thought about what you would do if your home were destroyed in a fire or even your household items stolen? Now, many people don't realize the importance of comprehensive homeowners insurance until they're faced with a mounting debt that follows home repairs. Household insurance provides a safety net for homeowners should a disaster strike. This morning, we've got Rousseau from First for Women with us in studio to help us understand the importance of household insurance. Casey, so good to have you with us. So this is a really important topic, and I want to know from you, what is the different household insurances that we have out there, and which one do I need to get?
So there are 3 different types of household insurance policies. The first being a home contents insurance policy, which provides cover for your household possessions, and you have cover in the event of them being either stolen, damaged, or lost. Then there is also buildings insurance. This is insurance specifically for the structure of a building, and it is protected in the event of it being damaged as a result of fire, explosion, storms, lightning, floods, and ground movement. And then lastly, there's a portable possessions insurance policy, or another name for it is an all-risk policy. And this provides cover for items that you carry around with you during your day-to-day activities, such as your sunglasses, your jewelry, your clothes, your laptop, an iPad, or a cell phone.
How do I determine the value of my household contents?
A way to do this is to imagine that if you were to take your house, turn it upside down, and shake it. And everything that falls out of the house are the items that should be included in your home contents insurance policy. So once you've established what they are, create a list of all of these items and assign a value to them, and basis on how much you paid them for and how much it would cost you to replace them at the time of a claim. Okay,
so talking about claims, what happens in the scenario where I maybe have undervalued my household items? How do I claim then?
So underinsurance is one of the big concerns for insurers, and underinsurance takes place when there's a shortfall between the cover that has been selected and the value of the item that has been insured. So one of the key things to do is to make sure that you know what the replacement value is for your items that are being insured, and to make sure that they are insured at the replacement value. So the replacement value is the amount that you would pay at the time of a claim to replace your belongings with a new or a similar item. So if you are underinsured and your items are not insured for the replacement value, chances are that only a percentage of the claim will be paid out to you. So it's vital to make sure that your items are insured for the correct amount.
Okay, so talking about that, things like cell phones, jewelries, what if I wanted to insure my laptop, but I don't have household insurance? What would I need to do?
You can insure your laptop through a home contents insurance policy, and it can also be insured through a portable possessions insurance policy. However, having said that, you can only take out a portable possessions insurance policy when you have a home contents policy in place already.
Now, I'm sure this is something that you need to watch. How do I go about just reviewing my insurance and making sure that things are up to date?
It's recommended that customers review their household insurance policies every 6 months, and that they update their lists of all the things that are in their house at that time. So if you've gotten a new TV, for example, add that to the list. If you've gotten rid of an old washing machine, take that off the list. It's also important to make sure that you know what the replacement value is of the particular items, because something that you may have bought, for example, for R1,000 a year ago may only be worth, or it may only cost you R500 today to buy it. So those are all the things that need to be taken into consideration.
Casey, I'd like to know, in case anybody's watching here, how, or rather what tips do you have for anyone who's looking to reduce their household insurance premiums?
So there are a few things that people can do. The first thing is to shop around and have a look at all of the different insurance companies and have a look at what it is that they offer. But people must remember that different insurers target different people. So make sure that the insurance company you go with understands your personal needs. So although price is always something that needs to be taken into consideration, make sure that you're happy with the insurer's customer service, that you're happy with their product offering and their benefit offering. Another thing that you can do is make sure that your house is as safe as possible. And this is obviously important from a personal safety point of view, but also if you have something like burglar bars or an alarm system in place, you may qualify for a discounted premium. And then lastly, keep your claims record clean. So if there is something that you can replace out of your own pocket and it is something small, try to go that route as opposed to claiming, because when you claim for the small little things, the chances of your premiums increasing is likely.
Wow, I feel like we could talk about this for days. It's such important information. Casey, thank you so much for being here.
Thank
and
you.
of course sharing your insights with us. Knowledge, as they say, is power.
Thank you.